I think the first one is you have to understand that you're probably not going to do it by yourself. So finding somebody, that you can trust in to hold you accountable. Um, and we can talk about accountability because I think a lot of people view that thing the wrong way. But
Yeah.
like somebody that you can share with and open up with, because chances are, if you're hearing this and you're thinking like, maybe now is the time, or you're questioning like, do I have this problem? Do I need to kind of get it out of my life and work through it, et cetera, et cetera? If you're having those thoughts as you're hearing this, chances are, with almost 98% certainty, I can say that you've never talked to anybody about this. So I think the first step is you need to find somebody that you feel safe with and you can open up to, and just get it out, like just get it off of your chest. I can tell you what that did for me. It literally felt like 10,000 pounds were taken off my shoulders the minute I was able to talk about it with somebody else. So I think that's the first step, is opening up, sharing with it. Um, and then, I mean, I'm going to drive this home, and I have been all, this entire conversation, truly deciding, like truly deciding. The root word for decide is side. It's the Latin word. It means to kill off. So when you decide, that means you're
Mm,
going to kill off the previous version of yourself. And if that's
yeah.
the case, then relapsing or not succeeding is no longer an option. If you kill off the previous version of yourself, then yeah, the path may take you longer. The journey may be a little bit longer. There may be more bumps. There may be more things you need to work through. But when you truly decide and you kill off that past version of yourself, then you can begin to build a plan. So that would probably be the first two things that most men think they do, but they actually don't do, is they don't really find the true accountability, and they don't truly make the decision. Maybe there's something lingering in their head. And this is probably a lot of guys. They're like, if I could get past this addiction to where I don't need it every day, maybe I can look
Mm,
at it once a month. Maybe I can look at it
right.
once every 3 months, or maybe I could go to strip clubs, or maybe I could still, listen to things, or, maybe I won't watch the hardcore stuff, but I'll watch, the softer stuff. Like, if those are any thoughts or any way you're trying to convince yourself like that this is how you're going to do it, you're going to fail, because you're holding on to an old part of yourself. You haven't killed it off yet. So you haven't truly decided.